Hey guys, so today I did go ahead and try out the Turkish Delight palette from Heart Revolution, and I really do like this palette. The shades were super easy to blend, so this is what it looks like. Super pretty, super fun. So yeah, they have these at Ulta for $15. You can use a $3.50 off coupon on it and get it for about 12 bucks, so I would definitely check it out. And this is the look that I created. Obviously, super fun, super pink, super cute. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video and keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so we're using this bad boy today. It's by Heart Revolution. It's the Turkish Delight palette. So, oh, that just came out. So the first shade that I'm gonna go in with is Candy right here. We're just gonna take it in the crease and a little bit in the outer corner. My schedule got changed yesterday, so today I'm working until 7 o'clock tonight, and I'm not mad at it. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Ooh. So yeah, I'll be there till 7. I have noticed when I'm editing that I tend to hum whenever I'm not talking. I really need to stop doing that. Alright, there's Candy. Really light pink. The next one that we're gonna go into is gonna be Roses right here, which that's another thing about this palette is that when I opened it, it smells exactly like roses. So I thought that was kind of cool, but if you're not into heavily scented products, you may not like that very much. And for a $15 palette, these shades are actually blending really nicely. I was a little hesitant, but yeah. So there's Roses. I'm just gonna start pulling that into the inner and outer corners. Just hold my brush a little too high there. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into pomegranate on this very little brush here. And just in the outer and inner corner, start building that up. I got a lot of compliments yesterday on the look that I did with the Jackie Aina palette. So that was pretty cool. And I just hummed again. Oh man. I'm just gonna slightly sweep that through the crease. I'm gonna take a blending brush, soften those out. This morning, whenever I was getting ready, I was watching this like tattoo tag, and it really made me want to do it, so I might do a tattoo tag at some point. I don't know. And with the vlogs, I missed this week's upload, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, it was pretty hectic and I didn't really actually have time to film a whole lot, so yeah. This is what we're looking like so far. I'm just gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna spray it. I have this Tarte Stay Spray, so I'm just gonna spritz this on there. And then I'm gonna go in and pick up the shade Rose Water right down here, bottom corner. But just tap that onto the center. And then I'm gonna dip into the shade Exquisite, right? And pack that right on top, just for a little bit of glitter. I thought it would be cute. So I'm gonna dip back in that pomegranate shade and just kind of deepen and blend everything out. There's the look so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back into Roses right here. And just right on the crease. Build that up just a smidge. Super easy so far. Now I'm gonna take this little brush I was using earlier. I'm gonna dip into Roses again. And just right underneath. Ooh. And pick up my little fluffy brush. Just gonna blend away, guys, blend away. It's always so awkward doing right under the eye on camera. So you see all the funny faces. And whenever I'm doing the corners, I'll pull and then kind of blend it up into the crease. And yeah, there's the look. Super simple, super easy, super quick. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrow, pop on my lashes and some lipstick, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look using the Heart Revolution Turkish Delight palette. Looks like this. So yeah, so next time I think I'm gonna dip into the green shades. It's just super pretty and really affordable. I mean, $15, you get it at Ulta, and you can use the $3.50 off coupon, so it'd be like 12 bucks for this palette, and I really like it. I think it's cute. So definitely check it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super tired, but I'm here for you. I'm here trying to create more looks and use more products. So yeah, but I'll get back to vlogging soon. I did take the week off. I was just a little too busy, to be honest with you. I didn't have time to actually vlog anything, so I'll be back with those. I don't know if I'm gonna do weekly or if I'm just gonna do like vlogs where I just pop them in randomly. I'll figure it out. But yeah, I did go ahead and braid my hair today. You can't really see it. But yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna finish getting ready so I can head to work and yeah, get this day going. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.